Hi guys, Paula here. In today's lesson, we're going to work on the letters double L, la doble L or ella, and the Y, la Y or Y. Let's talk about it. So, Jelena was asking me, what's the difference between the double L, as in the word llave, and the Y, as in the word yate? It sounds pretty similar to me, she says. Thanks for your comment, and that's a great question. So let's begin with the letter double L, la ella or doble L. It takes 3 sounds depending on where the person comes from. So the first one is a combination between the I and the O, yo, yo. It's used in Ecuador and Peru. Pollo, llorar, llave. So it's kind of a transition between the I vowel and the O. Lloro, llorar, llave. The second one is the sh sound. Like if you're saying shh, be quiet, shh. And it's mostly used in Argentina and Uruguay. Shh, pollo, llorar, llave. And the third one is y, like the letter J in English. Y, y. Pollo, llorar, llave. To produce the sound, the body of the tongue, la lengua, rises and touch the upper palate. It's not the tip of the tongue, no es la punta de la lengua, but the body of the tongue. It rises and touches the upper palate. Alright, so pollo or pollo or pollo. Either way, the tongue is on the same position. Now I'm gonna give you a sentence and you tell me if you hear any difference. Dame la llave del yate. One more time. Dame la llave del yate. Fast. Dame la llave del yate. Do you hear any difference between llave and yate? No, because there's no difference here. That's why children or people learning the language struggle a lot when it comes to recognize which letter they have to use in a dictation or in a writing, because they sound alike. So don't stress out. Don't worry by overthinking they are different. They might be different, but because the vowel that appears after the letter, but not the sound itself. Alright, what I highly recommend you is to pick one and stick with it. Try not to mix the sound in different words because you're gonna sound a little bit weird. Don't say yo me llamo Paula or yo me llamo Paula, but stick with one sound. Yo me llamo Paula or yo me llamo Paula or yo me llamo Paula. There's an exception with the Y. When it appears alone by itself, or when it's at the end of the word, it's pronounced like a pure I vowel. I, like in the words hoy, ley, rey, or the connector I, and Paula y Pedro. Let's review some words. Lluvia, llamar, gallina, pollo, llorar, apellido, yo, yoyo, yate, yuca, yema, yoga. So that's it for today. I hope it's clear, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other question, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time in the next video. Ciao!